What's up everyone, it's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some posing ideas for Instagram. I'm always doing photo shoots with my friends so that I can post on Instagram. It's really one of my favorite things to do, so I figured why not share with you what I've learned along the way, and hopefully it can help you guys. We've all seen that basic sorority girl pose, and can I just say, we are all better than that. I definitely used to be that girl, but I can say I've come a long way in my poses. So today I'm here to share with you guys some of my go-to poses when I'm taking Instagram photos. First, let me just say angles do matter. I love a low angle photo. It makes your legs look longer, it makes you look slimmer and more flattering, and I will be showing examples straight on, but just keep in mind that when I'm actually taking my photos, a low angle is what I always go for. So my first go-to pose is fixing your hair. It may seem simple, but I find when I'm posing, I don't know what to do with my hands, so a go-to is just to play with your hair, run your fingers through your hair, hold your hair to the side. It gives you something to do with your hands and it looks really pretty. Going on top of that, it's really important to make different angles with your body. So having your hands up by your head, touching your head, fixing your hair, creates those angles in your arms and it just looks more flattering in the photo and it gives the photo more dimension. Also, just move your body around. I find in some photos that my body looks a little awkward, but if I'm moving a lot while taking them, I'll at least like one out of the bunch that I'm taking. My next go-to pose is the fake walk. This one is so easy and it always looks great because your legs look long, it gives you movement, it gives you something to do without just sitting there and looking awkward. It's really easy just to walk in place and I've learned to just do that. Or if you don't feel comfortable walking in place, just have your cameraman follow you as you walk towards them or walk away from them. I find that doing it from an angle always looks better and all around it just turns out to be a better photo. Next, if it's super sunny out or if you have trouble squinting, like you're always squinting when you're taking photos, a go-to is just to take your hand and block the sunlight with your hand. It really is a power pose. You look really cool and it's obviously helping with the sun. It looks great if you hold your hand out and the sun is coming through your fingers, or if you want to just completely block, doing this looks great as well. Next, if you find yourself looking awkward, sitting is a great option. There's so many different sitting poses. I'm just gonna go over a few with you. First up, I like to call it the cool girl sit. That's definitely like a made up term by me. Just sitting on the ground, one leg out like you're doing crisscross applesauce, and then one up. Looks great. It gives your body a lot of different angles with the different triangles in your legs, and it even is better if you have your arms up. So if your arms are up touching your hair, sitting like this, it looks great, or just resting your hands on your knee. This next one I love because it makes my legs look really long and it makes me kind of look like I'm like just a cool girl. Just have your legs completely straight out like you're stretching to the sides and have your photo person taking the photo above you. With you looking up at the camera and your legs out, it's a really great pose. I love it and it's a go-to of mine. I also love just to have both my legs up, arms on my legs and leaning forward. It looks very dramatic and beautiful and another great sitting pose. A really girl boss power pose I love to do is just sitting straight legs, like a 30-degree angle from the camera, arms down and just staring right into the camera. It really shows that you are a girl boss power pose, like one of my go-tos, especially if you have a fire outfit on. A super simple pose that is very powerful. This last pose is one of my favorites and I've actually only done it like once or twice on my Instagram, so I'm definitely gonna bring this into my Instagram a bit more. More of an editorial pose, but if you turn completely sideways to the camera and lean back and put your arms back, it looks so cool and will really elevate your Instagram poses. I really hope this helped, and if it did, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe down below. Please comment down below your Instagram handle and I will be checking out all of your Instagrams to see you incorporating all of these poses into your feeds. I really hope this helped you going from the classic sorority girl pose to now something a little bit more elevated, a little bit more cool. So thanks again for watching. If you are new and you're not subscribed, please subscribe down below. It would mean the world to me. And I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye.